guys, welcome back. In the previous section, we explored the incredible journey of JavaScript's evolution. Now we are going to delve into the expansive ecosystem that surrounds this dynamic programming language. JavaScript's popularity has given rise to an extensive ecosystem of tools, libraries, and frameworks that cater to various aspects of development. Whether you are a front end developer creating interactive interfaces or a back end developer building robust APIs, there's something for everyone. When it comes to front end development, JavaScript shines brightly. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js have revolutionized the way we build user interfaces. React component-based architecture, Angular full-featured framework, and Vue.js simplicity all contribute to the rich diversity of choices available to developers. On the server side, Node.js has become a game changer. It's not just about enabling JavaScript to run outside the browser, it's about creating fast, scalable, and efficient server-side application. Node.js event-driven non-blocking architecture has turned it into a powerful tool for real-time applications, microservices, and APIs. One of the standout elements of the JavaScript ecosystem is NPM. It's the go-to tool for managing dependencies and sharing reusable code. The NPM registry houses an astounding number of packages that help developers solve problems and speed up development. To streamline development workflows, build tools like Webpack and Parcel have become necessary. They automate tasks such as transpilation, minification, and bundling, allowing developers to focus on writing code rather than dealing with manual processes. The JavaScript ecosystem also places significant emphasis on testing and quality assurance. Tools like Jest and Mocha offer robust testing frameworks, while libraries like Chai and Enzyme provide testing utilities for various testing scenarios. As we conclude our exploration of JavaScript's vast and dynamic ecosystem, it's important to recognize that the abundance of tools, libraries, and frameworks available empowers developers to craft exceptional digital experiences. Whether you are meticulously designing front-end interfaces or constructing high-performance server-side application, JavaScript's ecosystem offers a solution tailored to your requirement. So, join us for the next video series. Stay tuned for an insightful journey ahead. Thank you.